As an overview for the talk, I'll start by talking about how autonomous vehicles are almost solved, but the almost part is very misleading. They're actually quite a long way from cars being able to drive city to city with no one paying attention. There's a huge challenge here, and the huge challenge is safety. Autonomous vehicles present additional challenges beyond what we see in conventional vehicle safety. And I think that perception edge cases, the ability to decide what something is and to predict what happens next, is a really limiting factor in the safety of this technology. Beyond that, testing alone is not going to get us to safety. We need more than testing, and I'll talk about why that is and the types of approaches that can be taken. Generally, safety requires a standards plus safety case approach, much more than just laborious brute force road testing. You need a life cycle argument to support deployment safety. And I'll talk briefly about a standard, ANSI UL 4600, which is heavily concentrated on, did you think of that? Thinking about all the things that can go wrong to make sure that they've been accounted for in understanding the safety of an autonomous vehicle.